Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are doing great and you have been benefiting from our sociology lectures that we have uploaded in our channel Deciphering Sociology. So today's FAQ is on Haralambous, the Bible considered for paper 1, and it is a very important source for studying paper 1. But at the same time it is quite bulky, because of which most often the students, they are afraid of studying it, and even after studying it they are in a dilemma of the right approach that one should have while making notes from this book. So here we will be talking about the Blue Haralambous, or the updated version, the thicker version of the two types of Haralambous. Now there are at least 5 chapters which are important in the Blue Haralambous. These are starting from the last chapter. The chapter name is Sociological Theory. Then we have Methodology, and then we come to Power and Politics, Religion and Beliefs, and finally Social Stratification. Now the question is, how should one be reading these chapters and how should one be making notes? Now here you have to understand that your roadmap has been provided by our PYQs plus the syllabus. We will start with the syllabus. Okay, when we look at the syllabus, we will see that in topic 4 we have 6 thinkers. Now in these thinkers you will see that first one is Marx, second one is Durkheim, third one is Weber, then Parsons, Merton and Mead. Now when you are studying social stratification, when you are studying religion, and when you are studying power and politics, always remember that you will give preference to these thinkers or their perspectives. Which perspectives are we talking about here? You will be giving importance to the Marxist perspective or the conflict perspective. Then you will give importance to the functionalist perspective. Third will be the Weberian perspective, and then you will come to if there is a structural functionalist perspective, and finally symbolic interactionist perspective. So every chapter that you are reading, whether it is stratification, whether it is power and politics, and whether it is religion, these are the perspectives that should be on your tips, that you should be remembering and that you should be noting down. So if I have to make notes from the chapter of stratification or power and politics or religion, then I will be making notes on conflict perspective, functionalist perspective, Weberian, and if there is a structural functionalist and symbolic interactionist, that also I will make notes. But you will always see that these 3 thinkers or these 3 perspectives are prevalent everywhere. So conflict will always be there, functionalist will always be there, and Weberian will always be there. So these are the perspectives that I will be making notes. Now how do I make notes? This is the question which comes to your mind. There are 2 kinds of aspirants. Some aspirants love to make detailed notes and some love short notes. Now it depends on you, which kind of notes do you prefer. So you can adopt a mixed approach. So what you can do is, you can write in paragraph form the details of the theories, and then you can also write points. So you can do this for, let's say, a chapter stratification. Try both these and then you see whether this detailed version is helpful to you or the point wise, and then you stick to one method. So which will be the method that you will be using? You will be using either paragraph or detailed version of note making, or point wise or short notes. Now with time it is seen that this is the form, this is the kind of notes which will help you in revision, right? But you cannot straight away jump to this form immediately. This will come only after you have written the paragraph kind of notes for a few chapters, right? So please do not worry. Initially you will be writing detailed notes, and then after 2-3 revision you can switch to short notes, and this is the notes which you are going to stick to for your exam, right? So when we speak of reading and note making from Haralambus, what would be the approach here? We will be reading at least 5 chapters: methodology, sociological theory, then power and politics, religion and social stratification. These 5 chapters we have to read, and then we have to make notes. While making notes, you have to remember that you should make notes from Marxist or conflict perspective, functionalist perspective, Weberian perspective, and if there is a structural functionalist perspective, that also, along with symbolic interactionist perspective. Now every chapter you will find that there are n numbers of thinkers and n numbers of perspectives, but remember that even remembering these perspectives, these 5 to 6 perspectives, is very difficult. So please, once again I am going to tell you, prioritize. Please don't go after all the thinkers. First try to master the 6 thinkers given in the syllabus and the 6 perspectives given in the syllabus. Perspectives of whom? Marx, Durkheim, Weber, Parsons, Merton and Mead. Try to master them and what they had to say when they were talking about stratification, when they were talking about religion, when they were talking about power and politics. First master them, and then please move on to other thinkers like postmodernist or feminist or critical thinkers. Usually what is seen that without mastering or understanding the basic 6 thinkers, we jump on to these perspectives. That is why what happens, we are not able to connect them. We are not able to interrelate things because our base is not strong. So first of all, please strengthen your base. Your base consists of those 6 thinkers, and then try to build a castle, then try to build your building or your monument of mains preparation on this base of 6 thinkers, right? So always remember this 6 thinkers you have to do, and then try to do feminist or postmodernist thinkers or other many given thinkers like critical thinkers. These will come later, but the first important thinkers will be those 6 thinkers. Once again I am telling you: Marx, Durkheim, Weber, Parsons, Merton and Mead. So all the best and happy learning and happy note making. If you have any doubts, please drop a message on brainstorming sociology.